Pretty bad out here in Brossard. Look at all this. Major icicle freezing rain we got here in Brossard. And take a look at this. There's one of the Longueuil police Dodge Chargers passing by, but take a look at this. Look at all this right here. Like my window, it used to be frozen like crazy, but it's just regular water, but still. Take a look at this light right here. I'm trying to get some clear shots. But you can't see it, but you can see this right here. This area here, covered in ice. Wow. And of course, there are many Montrealers that are without power right now because of this catastrophe. But luckily, I'm with power right now. But I don't know if it's gonna affect me. It's gonna affect me or anything. But still, it's a good thing I managed to get some of the action. Look at this. Most of the entire area here in Brossard covered in ice. Hopefully things will be okay. And it's supposed to last for like 2 days or something. 2 days of ice. Wow. Definitely a bad day to go out for a walk. But yeah. Oh, I think I'm about to get a response. Hold on. It's because I heard some sirens. Not sure at the moment, but still. Definitely lots of ice. Look at all this. It's a frozen wonderland here in Brossard. Wow. Yep. Like this area right here. The old, I think it's like a shipping or containment yard. Not so sure what it is, but still. The grass area is full of ice. It feels like we're still in winter when we're literally in spring. It feels like winter. Wow. Ah, the joys of a springy day being invaded by freezing rain. The joys of that. Yeah. I just want to do a quick video. That was it. So, getting the video right here. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you are without power right now or if your sector has power. So let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on this catastrophe storm here in Brossard and of course all over Montreal. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Take care.